Hello, today we are talking about hybrid architectures. So architecture where different deployments can live together. So imagine to have a couple of appliances managed by a single server. This is what we call on-premise architecture. Sometimes you can have different offices, for example a branch office, where you want to deploy a smaller appliance or a different kind of appliance connected to the headquarters. In other scenarios, you could have little branch office where an appliance is not justified. So you could want to connect this branch office to the cloud. And cloud is in sync with your on-premise deployment. This means that you are leveraging the cloud services to extend your service, in this case filtering, to branch office where you don't really want or you don't really need an on-premise appliance. Another use case is the one with roaming users or mobile device. So you have your user with mobile device, again connected to the cloud because you want to extend the standard policies to the roaming or users or mobile devices. In this example, you have the on-premise deployment living together with the cloud to extend the service not only to the users in the offices, but also to the roaming users, to the mobile devices, to all those situations where you cannot have a local appliance. This is kind of hybrid deployment. Another example could be something using the cloud because you want to have something more scalable for the email. So you have traditional appliance for email filtering. Okay, usually you receive all the email to this appliance. The idea is that 95% or more of these email are spam. So you could want to use the cloud just for pre-screening all these 90 and more % of email and use your local appliance just to manage the real traffic where you want to apply advanced content filtering rules or advanced email policies. And then finally, think about the new trends, for example Office 365, all the move to the cloud. New companies are considering Office 365 services in general, cloud services, so you could have your cloud connected to a cloud service and you could want to connect to the cloud service some new feature, for example DLP. So you could want to attach to the cloud server some DLP features, and you could want to integrate your cloud services with a local on-premise DLP solution to apply in the cloud what you have defined locally as a DLP policy. All of these are examples of hybrid architecture to make the cloud and the on-premise live together and working together, and this also allow you to not doing a strict choice, cloud or not cloud. This can allow you to consider cloud still working with legacy or on-premise architecture and deployment that you need to maintain from previous choices or because you need these for other functionality. That's it. Thank you for your time and see you soon.